Okay, so here it is given the question, that is, find the directional derivative of phi is equal to x square y z cube at 1 comma 1 comma 1 in the direction of I cap plus j cap plus 2 into k cap. So you need to find the directional derivative of the given function. So first I'll tell you directional derivative, its formula is del phi dot n cap, where del phi is nothing but finding the gradient of the vector and n is nothing but it is an unit vector. So first what I'll find del into phi. So how to find del phi? You know the definition of del. So del is what? I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into phi. What is the phi function given to you? X square y z cube. So write it here. X square y z cube. So del into phi. So first I am finding del into phi. So del definition is what? This into phi. Phi is nothing but the given function this. So I have written here. Here there is no dot product between the two functions. It is the normal multiplication. So I'll just take this and multiply inside. That is I into dou by dou x of this function plus j into dou by dou y into this plus k into dou by dou z into this. Always remember, if we need to find divergent, what we do, we put dot product here. At that time we cannot take inside everywhere, we take only dou by dou x separately. Now here del into phi, it is a normal multiplication, first term into this plus second term into this plus third term into this. So here I is nothing but it is constant. With respect to x I need to do differentiation, so y and z cube will be out. Y and z cube is out, only dou by dou x of x square. Same thing with respect to y, so only y term will be inside, x square and z cube will be out, dou by dou y of only y plus here we need to do only z, so z will be in, other two terms will be out, z cube. So this differentiation of x with respect to x square is nothing but 2x plus j into x square z cube. Y with respect to y is 1 plus k into x square y. Z with respect to z cube, I told you this number we should write first, then the alphabet, and 3 minus 1, that is nothing but 2. So normally I'll write the number first here 2, next x y z cube, next last I cap unit vector plus x square z cube, last unit vector j cap plus 3 number first x square y z, 3 minus 1 is 2, so z square into k cap. So this is nothing but your del into phi. So now you need to find the unit vector n cap. Del phi we have already got. How to find this? So first n cap formula is what? N vector divided by magnitude of n vector. So what is n vector? So you can see an extra vector given in the question, consider that as n vector. So let n vector is equals to I cap plus j cap plus 2 into k cap, that is this given vector. So put in the formula of unit vector. We know this is the formula for unit vector n cap. So n vector is this, that is I cap plus j plus 2 into k divided by, you know how to find the magnitude, that is square of their coefficients and add them. Square of this thing, that is 1 here no number, so 1 square plus here number is 2 square. So totally we get I plus j plus 2k divided by square root of 1 plus 1 plus 4. 4, okay, 1 plus 1 plus 4, 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1 plus 4, that is 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So similarly you get the answer I cap plus j cap plus 2 into k cap divided by root 6. This is nothing but your n cap. Now totally we will find the directional derivative taking the dot product of these two terms. So directional derivative, I told you the formula is del phi dot of n vector. So what we have got del phi here, this whole thing is del phi. I'll write it here, that is nothing but So before putting del phi here, one more thing we have to remember is, see, we have got del phi. What is the del phi? What we have got, I'll write here, that is, we have got it as 2xyz cube I cap plus x square z cube j cap plus 3x square yz square k cap. This is nothing but your del into 5, what we have got, right? So now what you need to do is, this is the del phi answer, but in the question they have given, okay, that is phi is equals to so much at 1 comma 1 comma 1. So what are the points they have given? 1 comma 1 comma 1. So first point will be x, second will be y, third will be z coordinate. So here wherever there is x, put 1, wherever there is y in this equation, put 1, and wherever there is z, put 1. So what we get? Del phi is equals to 2 into 1 into 1 into 1 cube I cap plus 1 square 1 cube j cap plus 1 square 1 square into k cap. So normally anything you do cubing and all for 1, it will remain 1. So you get the answer 2 into I cap plus 1 into j cap plus 3 into k cap. So you get this answer. So now you write the answer here. What is del phi you got? Totally 2i plus j plus 3k. So 1 into j, I am writing just j. Dot product with n cap. What is the n cap you had got? I cap plus j plus 2k divided by root 6. This is I plus j plus 2k divided by root 6. Okay. So how to find the dot product between the two vectors? So your dot product is given. You can see it. How to find the dot product between the two vectors? Only take the I term. So what is the coefficient of I here? 2. Here coefficient of I, no number, so 1 plus coefficient of j here 1 and 1 plus here 3 and here 2 divided by this root 6 belongs to both, so divide by root 6. You get 2 plus 1 plus 6 divided by root 6. So 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 by root 6. So this is nothing but your directional derivative. So directional derivative you get 9 by root 6. So this is nothing but your answer. So always remember, first you need to find the directional derivative. The formula is this. First find del into phi, that is normal multiplication. Okay, then find n cap. N cap is nothing but taking the vector as finding the unit vector of that vector. Then you see in the question, if they have given the points, take it as x, y, z values and put it in del phi. So whatever answer you have got in del phi, so in place of x, y, z, put these values. So whatever answer you get at the last, use this here as del phi. Dot of unit vector. Then find the dot product and you will get the answer. Thank you.